depends on the strategy of the teacher, I believe. If they have not much time in classes, they can ask their students to do their homework. No? More homework on in at home. Pwede mo na so una mo tagaan nga ni kaka-assignment mo, then do it, you submit it, that will be graded. Depende na sa strategy isang kwan mo, isang isang maestro o maestra kung kabalo siya mag-motivate sang iya nga estudyante, no? Kaya because of that problem, maybe you have to resort to some other means na ma-cope up nila gyapon ang ilang pagtulunan. Because of lack of time, ano mo unta, give them homework, no? Then check that online from time to time, no? Or kung may mga group chat sila, pwede man na sila maka-kuhan siguro, no? Maka-engage sa ilang activities sa classroom. Yeah. Thank you, no?
Madam Chair, I agree with the manifestation of Councilor Duron. Ang galing mo na ang based on the studies, lain gidyabi ko no kung regular compared sa ining hybrid, no? But definitely, that's what the teachers are saying. They have to resort to these other alternatives. Pero ang ila competencies, ang ila ko na result, admittedly, hindi ginawa nila dasok with the time and limitations given them. Madam Chair, it's my intention to pass corollarily 3 motions which will actually encompass ang suggestion ni Councilor Duron and Councilor De La Llana sa ikadua. No? Madam Chair, if the body would allow, the first resolution is to urge the Department of Public Works and Highways, the Office of the Building Officials, the Department of Education, and other concerned agencies to immediately conduct structural assessment, repairs, and rehabilitation of public school buildings in Iloilo City affected by the September 30 earthquake. No? Just a background for this, Madam Chair, ginistorya ginamon niyang DepEd nga go, their Department on Engineering, and hambal nila, out of 14, 3 pa lang, or 4 pa lang na-assess. So may pulo pagid nga wala na-assess. So kung wala pa na-assess, wala pa na planuhan, hindi mo umpisa ng rehabilitation. So what are we talking about? Bisan sa assessment pa lang gani, wala pa kita. Admittedly, medyo mahal ni ko nung hammer test, no? But minsan mahal, we have to do it. This is for students, no? So that's why I'm running first resolution, Madam Chair. So Madam Chair, there is no objection, I move to pass a resolution urging the DPWH, the OBO, and the DepEd, and other concerned agencies to immediately conduct structural assessment, repairs, and rehabilitation of public school buildings in the city affected by the September 30, 2025 earthquake. So move, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
Madam Chair, as a motion to that, I move that copies of that resolution be furnished, DPWH, OBO, DepEd, and other concerned agencies, Madam Chair. So move, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
The second resolution, Madam Chair, reflects atong manifestation ni Councilor Duron and ni Councilor De La Llana, Madam Chair. So this is a resolution urging DepEd to implement measures to address learning gaps caused by double shift schooling in public schools in Iloilo City, including the implementation of hybrid or what also Vice Mayor Baronda manifested nga dapat may ara sila additional online classes. This will cover that, Madam Chair. So there are no objections to this. I move to pass a resolution urging DepEd to implement measures to address learning gaps caused by double shift schooling in public schools in Iloilo City. So move, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
Madam Chair, in line with that, I move that copy of this resolution be furnished the Department of Education. So move, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
Lastly, Madam Chair, it is this representation's admission nga base may iban pagig nga solusyon nga wala namon makita based on our research. So this is a request, if the committees would accept, the Committee on Education and the Committee on Engineering, to jointly investigate the structural and learning challenges faced by public schools in the city and recommend appropriate resolutions to address these issues. Basta may ban pa nga wala makitaan sa inyong representation. This is a humble request to the committees, Madam Chair, if they would accept, so we would pass this resolution. So, Madam Chair, if there are no objection, no objection. So, Madam Chair, if there are no objections, base may ban pang solution, I move to pass the resolution requesting the Committee on Education and the Committee on Engineering to jointly investigate the structural and learning challenges faced by public schools in the city and recommend further appropriate resolutions to address these issues, Madam Chair. So move, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
For the last resolution passed by Councilor Cedric Baluna, would like to respectfully move to refer the resolution to the committee, jointly to the Committee on Education and the Committee on Engineering, where the Committee on Engineering shall act as the lead committee. So move.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.